I'm Fawn Patterson with Lincoln Electric, and today we're going to go over how to switch your weld head from one track to the next. The first we're going to start with is the M45, which is their low profile. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the wire feeder so I can put it on a flat track. I'm going to release the clutch and release the clamp and then put it over on the flat track. Everything that is red is on here is something that you're going to adjust by hand or touch, and then everything else is toolless. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get my M85 off of the vertical track in the back. Now, if I want to adjust the wire feeder to conform to the pipe, all I have to do is use the quick release lever and adjust it. Now, to get it back to the flat track, once again, release the clutch, release from the track, and we're good to go. Thank you, and for more information, please go to lincolnelectric.com.